Hello students. Now today we are going to do quantile in Python pandas. Now what are quantile? Quantile means suppose a data is given to you and you have sorted, suppose in your class there are 40 students and you have sorted all the data, suppose their marks you have sorted in ascending order. Now if I ask you 30% quantile, then you will tell the marks of that student that under which, that is 30% means 30% will be lower than that and 70% will be high, will marks will be higher than that. So that marks you have to tell. Same way quartile means when you divide the data into four equal parts. So here quartile you are having q1, q2, q3. So lower quartile is q1 and q2 is 50%, lower quartile q1 is 25%. So Q2 will be 50%, it is also called median, and Q3 will be upper quartile, that is 75%. So here we will solve all the questions one by one. So here you can see that a quartile we will do, it is a type of quantile and it divides a sorted data set. It should be sorted in ascending order. We will sort it data set into four equal parts so that each part represents 1/4 of the data set. So let us start with it. So quantile in statistics and probability, quantiles are cut points dividing the range of a probability distribution into continuous intervals with equal probabilities, or dividing the observations in a sample in the same way. Suppose 100 students are there in your class and all have got different marks. Suppose it is first student have got 1, then 2, then 3, like that 100. So 30 marks, if you tell, it will be 30 quantile. 30% quantile means 30 students will be below 30 and 70% will be above 30. So, or suppose quartile, if they ask you, then quartile, four parts you can divide it. The first quartile is 25%. So suppose 1 2 3 4 100 it is written, so 25 will be your first quartile, because below 25 25 students are there and above 25 75 students are there. Same way 50% is also called median and it is the second quartile, so 50% below that and 50% above that. 75% is third quartile, so 75% below that and 25% above that. Clear? So here we will see the example, like odd numbers are there, it is very easy to find out the median. Suppose here like odd numbers 70 till 70 you have given, so median will be simply the middle value, and you can calculate also. The formula is n plus 1. N is the total number of elements, so here 7 elements are there, so 7 plus 1 and they have asked you to find out the 50%, that is the median they have asked you to find out, or the second quartile. So here you have written 0.50, so it will be the fourth element. Now here 1 2 3 4, so directly the fourth element is 40, so 40 will be the median, so directly you can write here the answer as 40. So if it is odd numbers, it is very easy. If it is even numbers, then what happens? Two elements are in between that range. Clear? You can see here these two elements are there in that range. These two elements. So two elements means when you will calculate it here, when you will calculate it, it will be n plus 1 of q. 8 elements are there, so 8 plus 1 into 0.50, it will be 4.5th element, that is in between fourth and fifth element. So the average of these two values, so average of 40 and 50 will be 45. So here the median will be 45. Answer will be 45. Programming, how we will do it, like in board exam, how the questions will be asked. Suppose the output of the program is asked, and here they have given the series as 10 to 80, and they have asked you the quantile. So quantile will be here 50% means just the average of these two elements in between. If it is even number, then in between you will arrange in ascending order, and then the two elements average will be your median, and if it is odd number, then directly you can get the middle element, that will be your median. Now we will calculate the first quartile. First quartile is 25%. 25% means n plus 1 into q. So here n plus 1 into q means n is 8. So 8 plus 1 into q is 25%, 0.25. It will be 2.25. 2.25 means in between the second and third element. Now second and third element is 20 and 30 here. So 20 and 30 is second and third element. So the average of second and third element 25.0 will be your first quartile. Clear? Like this, if they ask you the quartiles, all the quartiles, then you know that for quartiles you will require, it divides into 4 equal parts. So you will require 0.25, 0.5, that is, this is the first quartile, this is the second quartile, and this is the third quartile. So simply you are having the series, and one by one using this formula you will calculate the position, and between, like here 75, that is third quartile, will be n plus 1 into 0.75. So it is between 6th and 7th element. Now 6th and 7th element in this question was 6th and 7th element was 60 and 70. So the average of 60 and 70 was 65. Clear? Now suppose these type of questions are asked. Here first question they can ask you what is quantile, the definition you have to write. Then a series they have given, and they can ask you which is what is the median. So the middle value 5, directly you can write it. But if it is like this where you are having two middle values, then the average of these two, 5 and 6, will be 5.5. Clear? If it is like this, suppose 1 2 3 4 4 5 6, so here the two middle values are 4 and 5. So 4 and 5, the average of 4 and 5 is 4.5. Clear? Now the quantile, if they ask you like 30% quantile or 60% quantile. So quantile, how you will calculate? The series they have given you, n plus 1 into q. So here n plus 1 means how many elements are there? 10. 10 plus 1 into 30%. So it is 3.3, means third element and fourth element. So the average of 0, 1, 2, 3, 3 and 4. 3 and 4 will be 3.5. So you will write here as 3.5. So quartiles are also quantiles, and they divide into 4 equal parts, and percentiles are also quantiles, and that divided distribution into 100 equal parts. Like percentage and percentile, you all know the difference. Percentage means out of 100. Suppose in a class 40 students are there, and all have got equal distribution of marks. Some has got 100, some 99, and so on. Now out of 100, how much they have got? That will be percentage. And percentile means the highest marks you will take, and then you will divide into equal parts. Like in board exam we get the 1/8 of the students get A1, next 1/8 get A2, and after the board exam result you all are asking, madam, I got 96, but here in grade A2 is written. Why? Because above 96, already 1/8 of the total number of students have got A1. That's why you have got A2. Even if you get 96, 97, if 1/8 of the student of the total number of appeared students have already got more than you, they have already got A1, then you will get A2. So this is percentile. Clear? So you see the programs, you can simply import pandas as PD, then you will create a series. And quantile, if they ask you 0.25, 25% means here how many 9 elements are there. So the middle one is this one, and this one is your 25%. So answer will be 31, median will be 51, and third quartile will be 71. So it is directly calculated. But if two values are there, like suppose even numbers are there, and you have to calculate the average, suppose two values are there, then you have to calculate the average. So here I have run this program. So the answer will be average of 5 and 6 if it is even numbers and two values are there. If one value is there, no problem, directly you can write the answer. So this type of questions have been asked in the board exam. So you solve as much as you can, and if you have any doubt, you write in the comment section.